Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome in. Okay, so by the thumbnail, I'm sure y'all saw what I'm unboxing today. And it is, the first thing is the shoes. It is the shoes. So, of course, oh, a nice little catalog. Thank you, Judy. Thank you. Thank you. Stepping it up. No, no stickers, but you know, we've come to expect that. There you go. And it's a nice little catalog of the canvas, their canvas line. So I definitely want to keep that. Okay, so I actually have been eyeing these pairs of shoes for a while, and they do have a dust bag. It looks like it's just one dust bag. And they were $95. And I actually got this color. So this is, does it say what color? Oh, maybe it says it in the catalog. Because I saw. So in the catalog, these actually were the original ones. Can you see? I had wanted the green ones because I saw those and I thought, oh my gosh, I want those. I want those. And the color I got was aqua. However, I couldn't find a green bag. I couldn't find a green bag. And then the next time I saw them, I saw this color and I fell in love with this color. And ooh, they smell really nice. So I got a size 10. I haven't tried them on yet. So I'm hoping that they're going to fit. And I'm excited because I want to compare them to my Coach sneakers, because I want a matchy too. I decided, I had been looking at this bag for a long time, and I had been looking at this bag in green, as a matter of fact. However, the greens didn't match the shoes. So, oh my gosh, I didn't realize it was going to be so tiny. Look at this. Oh, wow. I didn't realize it was going to be tiny, this tiny. Because did I read the measurements? No. No. This is called the Pinky Bag, and this is number 382 out of 430 from this batch. So, I have been looking at this because of the handles, y'all. I loved how the straps were on the handles. Okay. So this is what I fell in love with, was this right here. This part right here, how that looked. I just thought that looked so cool. Now, yes, I'm breaking one of my rules. It's not detachable, so they're on there. However, I was hoping that Dooney wouldn't let me down with the strap for crossbody. So definitely it's fine for a shoulder bag. Let's see how it'll fit. I'm sure that there's enough length. I'm just gonna take it all the way down to the second to the last one. Just real quick, so that oh yeah. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, that'll work. Definitely will work. Okay, it's cute. So let's take a look at the bag all around. Here's the front of the bag. Here's the side of the bag. Here's the back of the bag. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. Now, this is a structured bag with structured leather, so it is not, it doesn't give very much. It does have a turn lock. It opens up, and on the inside, we do have a dust bag. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So there is probably just room for just just small things. My phone, I'm sure, will fit in here. Let me see. Here's my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And yes, fits in there with plenty of space. Here is the zippies that I usually use all the time. Yeah, that'll fit in there. Just for size purposes, you can see. So you can fit 2 of those in there. This is what it looks like if you put it in this way. So it's cute. And then it has a back slip pocket right here. And the inside, it is all leather, y'all. It's all leather. So let me see what line this comes from. Okay, hold on. The name of this bag actually is called the Sweetie Leather Pinky Bag. And it is made from Italian leather. And it's just in the class of a total classic. An effortless elegance to your everyday with this stylish look, crafted from gorgeous vegetable tanned Italian leather. There's no wonder it's an instant classic. Yeah, I can definitely see the vegetable leather. It's beautiful. The vegetable tan leather, it's beautiful. I'll put the dimensions up for y'all, and it is just a gorgeous little bag. So the dimensions are 5.5 high, 2.25 in the width, and the length is 7.25 in the length. The shoulder strap goes up to 23 inches, and as you can see, that the second to the last hole is my fits me crossbody, so you have plenty room for all sizes. Back here, it's just a cloth Dooney and Bourke symbol. So it just has the name of Dooney and Bourke on a piece of cloth, a piece of fabric, like a canvas fabric. So it doesn't have your normal branding for Dooney and Bourke. Some people like it, some people don't, you know. But it's a cute little bag. I was eyeing it for a while. And so what do you think? I think it's a good match, right? I think it's a good match. So I will let y'all know how the shoes fit and how they work on another video. They feel pretty comfy. And if before editing I have a chance to put these on, because I'm recording this on the 14th, we're leaving on the 16th, so I'm not sure if I'll have time to try the shoes on. But if we do and I have some mod shots, I will insert them in this video. Alrighty, so that's it, y'all. As I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. These took forever to come as well, too. I think I actually ordered them. When did I order them? The purse I ordered January the 4th. And the shoes I ordered in the end of December. So it took a while for the shoes to get here and a little while for the purse to get here. I'm imagining that the wildfires are part of all of that backlog as far as the items getting shipped out. So if you're in that pathway and anything, my heart goes out to you. I've been praying for all of California, all of the firefighters, all the first responders, emergency techs, all of that stuff, and the tragedy of losing your homes and just all everything that comes along with it. So just please know that I am thinking and praying for each and every one of y'all. Alrighty, I hope that on that note, I hope that this is okay for some escapism, something to look forward to down the line, and hopefully that you've enjoyed my content. And if you do, please do me the favor of subscribing, leaving a comment, and all that fun stuff. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, love y'all so much. Bye-bye.